Christmas decorations are such an exciting and meaningful part of the holiday season, and they're more important than we often realize. Beyond their beauty, they carry a special symbolism that helps us feel the spirit of Christmas. Decorating your home for Christmas creates an inviting, joyful atmosphere that not only brings happiness to those living in the house, but also extends a warm welcome to family and friends. It's a chance to infuse your space with the joy and magic of the season, giving everyone who enters a sense of comfort and excitement. When you begin to decorate, you're creating a space that mirrors the warmth of the holidays. One of the most important reasons to decorate your home for Christmas is that it sets the tone for the celebration. The moment you step into a house that's filled with Christmas lights, garlands, wreaths, and ornaments, you're immediately reminded that this is a special time of year. It's more than just placing things around the house. It's about building memories, creating traditions, and setting the stage for gatherings. That magical feel, when the home is filled with Christmas cheer, becomes part of the holiday experience itself. Decorating can be as simple or as elaborate as you want it to be. A few well-placed touches like a wreath on the door, a tree with sparkling lights, and festive table settings can instantly transform any space. One idea that always works well is incorporating nature. Fresh greenery, like pine branches or eucalyptus, not only looks beautiful but also fills the home with a fresh, natural scent that enhances the holiday mood. You can even mix in dried oranges or cinnamon sticks to bring in a warm seasonal aroma. In terms of color schemes, there's always the classic red and green, but don't feel like you're limited to those. You can play with all sorts of combinations. White and gold are wonderful for creating a more elegant and serene look. Blue and silver add a frosty, wintry vibe, while using purples or deep burgundy can add a more luxurious feel to your decorations. The key is to find colors that resonate with the mood you want to create. Whether it's vibrant and playful, cozy and traditional, or sophisticated and modern, your color choices can help bring that vision to life. When decorating, it's helpful to think about layering. Start with the big pieces like your tree or any large garlands, and then gradually add smaller details such as ornaments, ribbons, or candles. One tip to remember is that symmetry often brings a sense of balance and order to your decorations. This can be especially useful when arranging things like mantel displays or placing decorations on shelves. But don't worry if things aren't perfect. Sometimes a more relaxed, organic feel can create a cozy, lived-in vibe that feels authentic to the season. Another fun tip is to use different textures to create depth in your decorations. Mixing shiny ornaments with matte ones, adding soft, plush fabrics like faux fur or velvet alongside natural wood or metal elements, and even adding some sparkle here and there with glitter or twinkling lights can really make the decor feel rich and layered. And speaking of lights, they're one of the most impactful ways to set the mood. Whether you're stringing them up on your tree, around the windows, or even outdoors, their soft glow brings a sense of magic that's hard to replicate. The benefits of decorating for Christmas go beyond just aesthetics. For one, it's a wonderful way to boost your own mood. Many people find that getting into the holiday spirit through decorating helps them feel more connected to the season, and it can even relieve stress. It's also a great way to bond with family. Whether you're hanging ornaments together, setting up a nativity scene, or simply placing holiday candles around the house, it's a way to come together and create something beautiful as a team. For children especially, Christmas decorations become part of the magic of the holidays. The excitement of seeing a tree being set up or helping to place a star on top creates memories that last a lifetime. It's these little moments that often stay with them, giving them something to look forward to each year and building their own holiday traditions. For guests, walking into a home that's been decorated for Christmas instantly makes them feel welcomed and cherished. It shows that you've taken the time to prepare for the holidays and are eager to share that joy with others. And the great thing about Christmas decorations is that they don't have to be expensive or overly elaborate. You can find so many DIY projects that are fun, creative, and budget-friendly. Something as simple as making your own ornaments, setting up homemade table centerpieces, or crafting a garland from items around the house can add a personal touch that feels even more special. Another advantage of decorating is that it helps transition your home into a winter wonderland. As the days get shorter and the nights colder, having a home filled with the warmth and glow of Christmas lights, candles, and decorations can make those long winter nights feel much cozier. There's something so comforting about curling up in a living room lit by the soft glow of Christmas tree lights, surrounded by festive decor. When it comes to Christmas decorating, the beauty lies in how personal it can be. Every ornament, light, and garland has the power to tell a story. Maybe it's the handmade decorations passed down from generation to generation, or a special ornament from a recent trip. These personal touches make your home feel even more warm and inviting. It's not just about following trends or having everything look perfect. It's about creating an atmosphere that feels like your own. If you're someone who loves hosting during the holidays, your decorations can also serve as a backdrop for all the special moments shared with friends and family. Think about how a beautifully decorated dinner table can set the stage for a memorable Christmas meal. You don't need to overcomplicate it. A simple, elegant centerpiece, paired with festive plates and napkins, can create a warm and inviting setting for your guests. Small details like personalized place cards or little treats at each seat can make the experience even more delightful. Don't forget about the outside of your home. Outdoor decorations are just as important, as they create that first impression for visitors and add to the festive ambience in your neighborhood. A well-lit porch with twinkling lights, a welcoming wreath on the door, and maybe even some illuminated reindeer or a nativity scene in the yard can instantly spread holiday cheer to anyone passing by. It's a way to share the joy of Christmas not only with those inside your home, but with the whole community. In terms of suggestions, think about incorporating all areas of the house into your decoration plan. Don't just focus on the living room. Adding a few festive touches in the kitchen, dining room, and even the bathroom can make the whole home feel wrapped in the Christmas spirit. Simple things like holiday-themed towels, scented candles, or a small wreath on the bathroom door can extend that joyful feeling into every corner of the house. One final thing to remember is that Christmas decorations are also a way to embrace the season of giving. Whether it's creating a cozy atmosphere for your family or preparing your home for visitors, your decorations become part of the way you share the holiday spirit. It's about giving everyone who walks through your door a sense of welcome, warmth, and joy. And lastly, always remember that Christmas decorations are really about expressing your own style and spirit. There's no right or wrong way to decorate, as long as it makes you and your family feel the joy of the season. Whether you prefer minimalistic touches or an all-out festive explosion, your home is a reflection of your unique holiday spirit. The most important part is that it brings happiness to you and those you love. So as you plan your decorations, take the time to enjoy the process. The act of decorating itself can be a wonderful way to slow down, appreciate the moment, and get into the holiday spirit. Whether you go for something simple or completely transform your home into a Christmas wonderland, what truly matters is the feeling you create, the feeling of love, togetherness, and celebration that Christmas brings into our lives. I hope you love these decorative ideas for Christmas. Our purpose was to inspire you to decorate your home and give you suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell to receive tips, decorating ideas, and all the best decorative content for the home.